In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Alibaba Qwen 25 Max. We're going to walk through the sign-in process from start to finish in a simple and clear way, so you can get into Qwen Chat and choose the correct model without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Qwen Chat. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct Alibaba Cloud or Qwen-related page. This is important because sign-in pages can sometimes look similar, and you want to be sure you're accessing the official platform before entering any account details. After you're inside the site, look over to the right-hand side of the page and click on Log In. This will take you to the Account Access screen where you can enter your credentials. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal, so just wait until the login form appears fully. Next, enter your email address in the email field. Be careful to type it correctly, especially if you have more than one account. A small typo here can prevent you from accessing the right profile, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once your email is entered, go to the password field and type in your password. As always, make sure you enter it exactly as it was created, including any capital letters, numbers, or symbols. If you're signing in on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login information for privacy and security reasons. After both fields are filled in, click on the Sign In button. At this point, the platform should process your login and bring you into the chat interface. If you don't get in right away, pause and verify that your email and password were entered correctly before trying again. Once you're successfully signed in, the final step is to select Qwen Max from the model drop-down menu at the top of the chat interface. This is the part that makes sure you're using the correct model inside the platform. Just click the drop-down, find Qwen Max in the list, and select it. After that, you're all set and ready to start using Alibaba AI Qwen. If you're following along on your own screen, it can help to move slowly through each part so you don't miss anything, especially during login and model selection. And that's how to sign into Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5 Max.